Hello everyone, so in this video, we're gonna be reviewing the Pocket Hose Copperhead. But before we get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. The link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you have it here opened up on Amazon. And they are actually rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with 2,000 ratings, which is actually pretty good. So as you can see, if you don't know what this is, it is basically just a head for your hose. So for example, you have an old head for your hose. This will actually replace the head. So for example, you can just connect it to your water source and it will actually prevent leaks, which is actually better than most. So for example, we have about this item. So there's a new pocket pivot, force field jacket, tri-text tubing, APT connectors, infused with real copper and lead free, kink-proof design, and 3/4 inch diameter and anti-burst. So if you're wondering if this is actually pretty good, let's head on down here to see the reviews. And as you can see, there are a lot of 5-star reviews here. Lightweight and easy to use. Can't say no to this hose. I love it. Lightweight, a joy to maneuver. Easy to use, good hose, lightweight and American made quality. Perfect for our front yard. A great hose, pocket hose, and a lot more. And the list goes on about the positive reviews about this. So if you want to actually try this out, this actually seems to be pretty good since it is a hose that you can maneuver around, which is adjustable. As you can see, you can maneuver it up and down, left to right, and however you like it. So that's basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.